Kale and skin health. Nourishing your complexion inside and out. Kale has emerged as a superfood in recent years, praised for its numerous health benefits. One of the most remarkable advantages of incorporating kale into your diet is its positive impact on skin health. Nourishing your complexion with kale can provide a wide range of benefits, including improving skin texture, boosting collagen production, reducing inflammation, and promoting a healthy glow. To begin with, kale is rich in antioxidants such as vitamins A, C, and E, which help combat free radicals and prevent damage to the skin. These antioxidants not only protect the skin from harmful environmental factors, such as pollution and UV radiation, but also help to reduce the signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. Moreover, kale is an excellent source of vitamin K, which plays a vital role in promoting healthy skin. Vitamin K helps reduce dark circles and puffiness under the eyes, improves blood circulation, and aids in wound healing. Additionally, the vitamin C present in kale promotes collagen production, a protein that gives the skin its elasticity and firmness. A higher collagen level can lead to reduced skin sagging and a more youthful appearance. Furthermore, kale contains essential minerals like iron and magnesium, which are crucial for maintaining healthy skin. Iron helps the oxygenation of skin cells, resulting in a brighter complexion, while magnesium aids in regulating stress hormones, which can contribute to acne and other skin conditions. In addition to its nutritional benefits, kale's high water content helps to keep the skin hydrated and moisturized. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining a healthy complexion, as it promotes skin elasticity, reduces the appearance of fine lines, and prevents dryness and flakiness. Moreover, kale's anti-inflammatory properties contribute to a clear complexion by reducing redness, irritation, and swelling. Inflammation is a common factor in various skin conditions, such as acne, eczema, and rosacea. Including kale in your diet can help alleviate these skin issues and promote a calmer, more even-toned complexion. Additionally, kale is a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps eliminate toxins from the body. A healthy digestive system is closely linked to clear, radiant skin, as it ensures proper nutrient absorption and waste elimination. By consuming kale regularly, you can support your skin's natural detoxification process and promote a healthier complexion from within. Lastly, the vitamins and minerals found in kale can work synergistically to give your skin a natural glow. When your body receives the necessary nutrients and antioxidants, it reflects on your skin, making it look vibrant and radiant. In conclusion, incorporating kale into your diet can promote healthy and nourished skin. Its rich nutrient profile, including antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and water content, can improve skin texture, boost collagen production, reduce inflammation, and provide a natural glow. So, next time you're planning your meals, be sure to include this leafy green in your dietary regimen for a complexion that will be the envy of others. I hope you found this information on kale and skin health helpful. If so, please hit the like button. For more topics and tips on kale, kale diets, kale recipes, and kale healthy eating, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's keep in mind that the healthy way is the right way.